Located in Westbury, New York, Hicks Nurseries is the largest garden center on Long Island, offering the very best garden, outdoor living, and landscape products and services. From 1853 through today, 6 generations of the Hicks family have been serving Long Island, and since then our business philosophy has never changed. We are passionate about helping people make their dreams for their homes and garden a reality. We believe in selecting the very best products offered with expert advice and assistance to help you every step of the way. We make gardening easy. Throughout our history, one constant has always been innovation. We continually strive to provide our customers the best possible shopping experience. Ultimately, what sets us apart is our people. Many of our staff have been with the company for decades. They're professional, knowledgeable, and caring, with a true love for what they do day in and day out, and are here to help our customers succeed with their gardening projects. Visit us today and experience the Hicks difference.